Welcome to Acadia National Park!
This trail follows a nearly vertical route within exposed cliffs that requires climbing on iron rungs. Falls on this mountain has resulted in serious injury and death. Great! Today we are hiking the Beehive Trail, and it's our last day in Acadia National Park. We're hiking it while my dad and my sister Eleanor go to Sand Beach and have some fun, and afterwards we'll come meet them. How's it going over there, guys?
We dropped Josiah and Leslie off. They're gonna go hike Beehive Trail, and Eleanor and I are down here at the beach. What do you think, Eleanor?
I like it!
This trail is already challenging. The footpath is made up of just a ton of rocks, but it's only about a mile up the top of to the mountain, and then at the very top we can turn around and go back the backside, which is just a couple of switchbacks and it's supposed to be a relatively easy trail. So wish us luck.
These are some markings, some trail markers. And it's paint that points the way on where to go. Oh my goodness, we're going up there. Hello, people way up there. And I'm not doing it. Yes, we're going up there, aren't we?
Okay, what does it say?
This trail follows a nearly vertical route within exposed cliffs that requires climbing on iron rungs. Falls on this mountain has resulted in serious injury and death. Small children and people with fear of heights should not use this trail. Great.
Getting lost with you. One step.
This view is beautiful, and you can see Sand Beach.
Next level.
Don't give up on me there.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
How beautiful is this?
What do you think so far?
Scary, super scary.
Yeah, I can see how they've made it safer with the ropes and the fencing and the iron bars, but still really steep drop-offs.
Yeah.
I'm glad Eleanor's not on this hike with us.
We're almost to the top. It really hasn't been that bad. Oh gee, now you're down.
Okay, be careful please.
Next level.
And everybody's climbing up there and saying, that's it, there's no more incline. So that's good. Now we're hiking back down and we're gonna hop in the ocean.
Look, see the blueberries over here? These are blueberries. I have loved everything about this trail. So beautiful. You get to go through the woods, you get to see all the trees. It's so fun to be in the forest, and then up at the top you're in the rocks, and after the rocks you get this clearing at the top of the hill where you can see all sorts of ocean views, and we saw the lighthouse that we had visited. It just was beautiful, and it's really not a long trail. It's only about a mile, maybe a mile and a half round trip, and you go back down the side of the mountain a lot more leisurely than you have to climb steeply up. So great trail for kids, especially those maybe 8 and up with some hiking experience and that aren't afraid of heights. We have loved it. Now we're heading back to see what Peter and Eleanor are doing on Sand Beach.
I'm glad you made it alive. Hope you enjoyed